Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make blooming gel polish designs. Blooming gel is a fantastic product that allows you to create stunning, intricate nail art with ease. It's perfect for achieving beautiful watercolor, marble, or floral effects, making your manicures truly stand out. This simple guide will help you master the technique, adding a professional and artistic touch to your nails. Get ready to transform your gel polish designs into works of art. Before we dive into the application, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a good quality base coat, your blooming gel, and a selection of colored gel polishes. Don't forget a top coat to seal everything in, and a fine detail brush or a dotting tool for creating your designs. Finally, a UV or LED lamp is crucial for curing each layer of gel. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to the fun part, application. First, apply one thin layer of your base coat and cure it under your lamp for about 30 to 60 seconds. Next, apply a layer of blooming gel, but here's the key, do not cure it yet. While the blooming gel is still wet, use your detail brush or dotting tool to draw your desired design with colored gel polish. Watch the magic happen as the colors spread beautifully. Once you love the effect, cure it for 60 seconds. To finish your beautiful blooming gel design, apply a generous layer of top coat over your cured nail art. This will add a brilliant shine and protect your intricate design, ensuring it lasts for weeks. Cure the top coat thoroughly under your UV or LED lamp for at least 60 seconds or according to your product's instructions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with various color combinations and designs on nail tips to truly master this captivating technique. Enjoy your stunning new nails.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.